awesome. Go make something awesome.
Did you know that half of all websites on the internet are actually powered by WordPress? So given that fact, we figured it was a pretty good idea to create a tool so that you can use font awesome icons in your WordPress projects more easily. And we'll show you how to install the plugin now. So first things first, we need to install the plugin, and we can go to the WordPress directory here. And I'll click on Add New Plugin, type in Font Awesome Naturally, and there is our official plugin. Click Install Now, and Activate. And voila, there is our plugin. So before we get to adding Font Awesome icons to our WordPress site, we're going to need to make some setting changes here. So click on Settings. So you'll see here the old-fashioned way of using the plugin is to use the CDN. But if we use the CDN, we're only going to be able to use free icons. But I want to be able to have the latest and greatest icons, pro icons. And so I am going to click on Use a Kit. Now we're going to need to get an API token, and the API token will allow the WordPress site and Font Awesome to talk nice. And here is a hyperlink here to get our API token. So here on the account page, I'm going to scroll down a little bit to API tokens and click Create a new API token, and click on WordPress plugin, Generate API token. Okay, so here is my token here. I'm going to click copy. That'll copy it to the clipboard. I will go back to my WordPress site, copy and paste there, and save the API token. Now I'm going to select a kit, and I think we're going to go with 80s hairstyles. Why not? Then I'll click Save the Changes. So now that we've done that, we'll take a look at some of the simple ways that you can add icons to your WordPress site. So I've created a little fictitious blog here called Coffee is Cool. So I'm going to click on that. Coffee is life, don't you know it? And if I click in a text box, I'll get my extended format bar here. And you want to click on that down arrow. And there's the first thing that pops up is our plugin. So click on that. So now we can choose any kind of weight that suits our project: solid, regular, light, thin, duotone, as well as brand icons. And you can search by name, category, or keyword. So let's look up something coffee oriented, obviously. And I think I want to drink a whole lot of coffee, so let's click on that one. Now that I've chosen an icon, you can see the short code that it generated here. And I'm going to save a draft, and let's get a little preview of what it looks like. And there is our coffee pot. And there you have it. Now you know how to use the official Font Awesome WordPress plugin so that you can more easily add icons to your WordPress projects. Now it's your turn to go make something awesome.
Font awesome. Go make something awesome.